What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. If you're an astronaut, you gotta eat. I saw this on Amazon and I was like, what? Kind of reminds me of my childhood. I know you can get these at like some fairs and movie theaters, but it's like astronaut ice cream. This one's Neapolitan. Who doesn't love the delicious strawberry chocolate vanilla Neapolitan? And I want to show you here, it has some nutritional information on the back, 130 calories, and it's super light because basically this is like a freeze-dried ice cream. I actually don't know if it's actually ice cream, but they call it like freeze-dried space food. So I wanted to check it out. The packaging looks pretty nice. My cousin wanted to be an astronaut. Who didn't want to be an astronaut when they were a kid? My cousin ended up joining the Air Force, so she got pretty darn close. Look at this. It comes wrapped in the paper like an ice cream sandwich bar. And so I'm going to tear it open here. Oh, weird, dude. I kind of did not expect this. So it actually is like a Neapolitan ice cream sandwich bar. Oh, it's kind of coming apart. Man, it's so delicate. With everything on it that is just like freeze dried. So look at this. It comes with like that outer cookie shell. As you can see here, we've got the freeze dried ice cream in it. I broke it in half here. I probably wasn't the gentlest that I could have been with it. So here's the bottom portion. Put it back together. Look at that. So we have like a Neapolitan ice cream bar. That's pretty cool. I did not expect it to look like this. I thought it was actually just going to be like big chunks of like the colored ice cream that you would just pick up and put in your mouth. So the fact that it is actually like one of these bars that you buy in your ice cream section of your grocery store, and then I think like freeze dried, it's kind of crazy and impressive. So let's go ahead and just take a piece of it and take a bite. It's kind of weird. I mean, I'll be honest, like I was more courageous as a kid. Like freeze dried food was kind of amazing. And you can't really rehydrate this because it probably need to be cold to hold its shape, but I'm kind of like a little nervous because it looks like I'm about to put a piece of chalk or something in my mouth. That's funny, man. You taste the chocolate, kind of rehydrates in your mouth a little bit. You get that very heavy strawberry flavor on it. Tell you what, if you're on the road, camping, need shelf-stable food, something that's not going to spoil in heat or cold, this would be a nice treat when you're out in the middle of nowhere. I mean, even eating that rehydrated, freeze-dried macaroni and cheese, the spaghetti that I've shown you, all that stuff is pretty good. But, you know, if you were looking for a little dessert, this would be a nice surprise to have. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's a Neapolitan ice cream sandwich that's just freeze-dried, super light, obviously a little fragile, but a nice unexpected treat out in the wilderness. Check it out. I will put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.